How to link Steam to Discord. To link your Steam account to Discord, first of all, you have to launch the Discord application on your device. Once you launch the Discord application itself, make sure that you are also logged into your account. Now you simply have to go to the user settings by tapping on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the settings option to access the setting panel. Now scroll down until you find the connections option or simply tap on the search bar, then search for connections. Now once you're here, you simply have to tap add option on the top right corner. From here, you will find a lot of applications. Scroll down until you find the Steam application. Once you find it, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on it. From there, you have to now log into your Steam account with your login credentials and click the blue sign in button to grant Discord permission to view your profile details. And this is how you can link Steam to Discord. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.